Hi, this is Mike Turner with Front Street Brokers. It's March 21st, 2012. I got this interesting email and blog post from Hennessy Appraisals. Go to hennessyappraisals.com to see this in more detail. But, John Hennessy, he sent this over to me because he was tracking, he did an interesting research on how many flips investors did in 2011. And from his research, he's showing about 143 flips when a home sold, for a higher amount in less than a year. And on average, he's saying that the average flip made about close to 50 grand and sold within 170 days. Another thing that's interesting, he broke out where the flips were happening. And it looks like the Boise bench is a clear winner with 24 flips in 2011. And if you what the Boise bench is a mix of all kinds of homes, but most of them are older. I live in the Boise bench. My house was built in 1959, and a lot of the homes dated, but some of them are very big and have big yards, so it can be a popular area because it's so close to town that you don't have to pay the north end prices. So investors have been taking advantage of that and purchasing some of these homes that just because these older homes that do need work and they end up a foreclosure, man, nobody wants them because nobody wants to buy the foreclosure and invest a bunch of money to fix them up. So these investors are kind of doing that for everyone. And it's actually a good thing for these neighborhoods to have these investors come in because they usually just go the full gamut. It's not like it used to be where you just did a few things to fix up a home. Most investors I see and the clients that I'm working with really go the whole way. I mean, they really transform the new house. They pull all the walls off or all the drywall off and do all new floors and all new appliances. It's the real deal. So it can be a really good thing for a neighborhood, and just kind of interesting to see that kind of the net proceeds of all these different flips in 2011 could have been around the 7 million mark. So, flipping, is something that some people are doing. The people that are being successful have, most of them been doing it for 5, 6, 7 years. They've been doing it a while, and they really have it down to a science because you can see that sometimes you don't make any money. Here's where it says the minimum he saw probably makes about $3,500. Well, if you had to put some money into that property, you took a loss, a big one. So what this doesn't account for is all the dollars that were put into the houses to make a profit, and you're not going to be able to see what the investor's profit was from this, but most of them are having to put in a lot of work to get them to sell higher in this marketplace. So, but really interesting, I thought I'd just share that with you. You can find more insights like these at John's website at hennessyappraisals.com. Lots of good information there that comes out every month. So use it as a resource if you're curious what's going on in the Boise real estate market. Till next week, I'm Mike Turner with Front Street Brokers. Go to frontstreetbrokers.com for more market insights like these.